Don't automate your trading, but don't know how to install your bots. In this second, I'm going to show you step by step on how to install and set up your expert advisor for your MetaTrader 5. So let's jump right to my screen. Okay, if you want to add an EA to your MetaTrader 5, you need the EX file. So this is what it looks like. So for this example, using the Nova Master EA, we'll be adding it to our MetaTrader 5. So what you want to do is click on it, copy. Then you come to your MetaTrader 5 that you want to add EA to. So for this example, using the XNES MetaTrader 5. So what I'm going to do is come to the top left of your screen, where you're using file, click on it. When you come to open data folder, click on that. So to open this page for you, what you want to do is click on MQL5 to open more folders. You come to the first folder at the top called experts. Click on that. Then come to the first folder for the advisor. Click on that. Then you take it to this page where you paste the file you just copied. Click on paste. So when you're done, you can close this. Then you're back to your MetaTrader 5. What you want to do next is close your MetaTrader 5. Okay. So come back, then open the MetaTrader 5. I will add the file to. Wait for it to open. Okay. Now it's open. So if you're looking for the EA, you will come to Navigator. You come to Expert Advisor. Click on that arrow. When this arrow is showing down, then you come to Advisor. Click on that arrow. And that's the EA you're looking for. That's the EA we just added. So that's how you add an EA to your MetaTrader 5. And just like that, your bot is live on MetaTrader 5 and ready to use. Now you know how to install your EA on your MetaTrader 5. On my next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to backtest your EA on years of data to see its performance. If you want to learn automated trading or want to build your own system, please like and subscribe to this channel. Also turn your notification bell so you won't miss our next video. Also, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you successfully install your EA. See you on my next video.